Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel video tutorial we will learn about the Laravel accessor. So these are the points that we are going to perform in this video. First of all, we will see what is accessor. Then we need one controller and one model for making an example on accessor, and then we will make a accessor function, and I will show you that how we can make it with example. And at the last I will ask you a question. You can attempt this question in the comment box also. Now the question is, what is accessor? So accessor is basically used to modify the data record before displaying the data, right? So yes, you have to keep in mind they are actually not modify the data in the database, right? So they actually just take it in the Laravel only. So for example, you just want to print the name of the users like Anil and Sam, but you just want to make the first letter capitalized, right? Or you just want to modify something in email or address before just showing them on HTML, right? Then we can do it with the accessor. So now let's see how we can do it. First of all, so let's clear out the command line. I'm just going to make a controller. Just write here PHP artisan make controller and controller name. So let's say my controller name is member controller, and just hit it. Now you can just find this controller inside the app, then HTTP, then controllers, and here, right? So now let's make a function inside it. So let's make a function with the name of index or whatever you want, and return something like code will be here, right? And now let's make a route for it, and for that we have to go inside the routes web.php. Just right here use app http controllers, and controller name, which is member controller, and just put a semicolon at the last, and let's make a route for it. So I am just going to make a route with get function, and it have a URL like member, and in the second parameter let's use here member controller colon class, and in the second parameter let's put an index function, which we made inside the controller, right? So now let's try to access it on the member URL. Now you can see that we are able to access the function and controller, everything, right? So now we need a model. So just write here PHP artisan make model, and our model name will be, let's look out our table name, which is members. So our model name should be member, right? And just hit the enter. Model is also created. Now let's import model inside the controller. So just write here use app model, and just write here members, right? Member actually, and this is a models. Then we can just put a semicolon at the last, and let's return here member colon all, and it will return the all data which is coming from the member table, right? And now let's see. You can see that we got the all both record Anil as well as Sam. And now what I want to just change the name from first letter. I just want to make first letter capital here, right? So now let's just come to the model, and let's define the accessor here. So just come to the model, and just define a function, and you can just make it public if you want, right? And then define the accessor. Accessor function name always have a pattern, so you just have to just define like get, then name. What is that name? Name is actually our column field from the database, right? Name and email and address, right? And at the last let's put here attribute. My bad. and let's pass a value inside it, and now return the change that you just want to do. So let's say you just want to make a change UC first on value, right? So UC first function will just convert this first character in the capital case. So now let's see what we got here. Now you can see that name for the both records in the capital. So now let's try one more example, and you just want to make this just want to change some inside the address. So let's say you want to put the India in just at the last of this address, like Noida, Delhi, and Noida, India, and Delhi, India. For that, you just need to write here get your column name, which is address, and just simply write here return, and just put here dot comma India. My bad, right? So now let's see what we got. Now you can see that the address have the Noida, India in the both field, right? So when we are just define the accessor, then they will actually change in the all columns, right? So if you have the 100 columns and 1000 columns, then they will just modify this record for the all of the rows actually, right? And that's all for this video, and it's time to question. The question is, so we just know to get that what is the accessor. So the question is, what is the mutators in the Laravel? You can attempt this question in a comment box if you want. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.